today's video, you will learn about the benefits of drinking garlic water during your fast. Humanity has been using garlic for thousands of years as a natural antibiotic, an ancient and efficient homemade medicine. Did you know that? Besides, garlic is one of the tastiest seasonings for many dishes. Have you watched the video we made about the benefits of garlic? Garlic has many health benefits, such as aiding the circulatory and digestive systems, boosting the immune system, reducing blood pressure, fighting heart diseases, and eliminating toxins. Although not very common, the habit of drinking water with raw garlic in the morning can bring many benefits to your health. Have you ever heard about garlic water? Yes, it may not sound like the best way of consuming garlic, but its many health benefits make it worth swallowing a little piece of it every morning. Enjoying the video? Then give it a like and share it with your friends to help the channel. There are many benefits, and some of them are: helps lose weight, eliminates toxins from the body in a natural detox, eliminates intestinal parasites, improves immunity, prevents dangerous infections, fights serious diseases as well as cancer, diabetes, and depression, improves heart function, aids in the good functioning of the liver and gallbladder, improves bone health, and lastly, strengthens hair and nails. Are you interested? Check the recipe. Making garlic water is super easy. Do the following. At night, put a garlic clove, sliced or chopped, in a glass of water. The next morning, drink this water while still fasting. Many studies say that garlic loses its properties once it is cooked, so to actually get all of its benefits, it should be consumed raw. Did you know that? However, as with any natural medicine, garlic also has some contraindications. People with blood clotting disorders, thrombosis or suspicion of, heavy flow, low blood pressure, or anyone who is about to or has gone through surgery must avoid raw garlic. Now that you know the benefits of this powerful natural homemade recipe, try it. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.